Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to COOSERRY. I'm not really sure 100% how this is pronounced, but thank you so much to this brand for sending me this amazing polygel kit. I absolutely didn't have any really bad things to say about it. It did bring a variety of things, which I absolutely loved. I am the queen of nail art. I absolutely love a nail art. So here I'm just briefly showing you everything that the kit included. It absolutely included so many goodies, which I absolutely loved. The only thing was that the lamp I wasn't really the biggest fan of, but other than that, the polygel worked phenomenally and everything else along with it. I don't know what was wrong with the lamp. Maybe I didn't know how to use it correctly, but it was taking longer periods for the polygel to dry, or sometimes it would dry quickly. I don't know, maybe I was doing it wrong, but here I'm just showing you everything that it included. Absolutely included a bunch of nice things, so that was definitely a plus for me because I love, you know, an X amount of a nail art. So by the way, it was just 3 polygels and they were really great size. It was just the basic colors, white, clear, and pink. And here are just some instructions and warranty and a user manual for the lamp. It was 48 watts. So yeah, here I'm just showing you everything, the instructions and stuff. So these are the 3 polygels I was just mentioning, and that clear was pretty clear, so that was definitely a good thing as well. And I definitely recommend this for a beginner or anyone, but it's definitely great for beginners as well. And remember, sometimes polygel, it has a lot to do with the temperature in your home. It's always freezing cold in my house, so it's always going to be on the stiffer side for any polygel that I use. But overall, it was easy to work with, and I blended all those 3 colors together, you guys will see, and it worked just fine. So here I'm just removing the shine with the nail file I incorporated, along with just brushing it off with that little brush. And I am using these AliExpress Extreme Square nails. They're a dupe for the Nail Couture. Absolutely amazing. I will be using all 3 along with their slip solution and one of their glitters that it incorporated, this really pretty pink, along with my mixing plate that I purchased through Shein. So here I'm just starting off with the first color, and I'm just going to be lining them up and then just grabbing the double-sided spatula from the brush that I'm using for the polygel and just swirling it together to create a marble to my liking. And then I'm just going to be placing it onto all the nails using the slip solution to mold it into the nail. And I am doing the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method. I absolutely love that method just because super simple, super easy. You're not going to take a million hours to do your nails, and it's just going to work really efficiently. I feel like, shout out to anyone who knows how to do it the other way with the tips. You're amazing, literally, because that is very challenging for me and very time consuming, and I'm just not good at it. So I definitely recommend this the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method, for anyone who doesn't want to take a long time doing nails and B, just an easier method. And remember, a lot of people always tell me that, you know, they have lifting issues, and like I always mention, you have to master your prep. Look at a lot of YouTube tutorials, a lot of YouTube videos. That's what I have done in the past, and that's how I've managed for when I apply any set of nails for them to last as long as I desire. So it's all about looking up a lot of videos, doing a lot of your research, and overall just trial and error with those nail primers, because some may work for others and some may not. So you have to do trial and error and see which one works best for you. I do have some videos in my channel if you're interested in checking them out, but like I said, it's all trial and error, and it's just all a learning journey. The way that I learned how to prep my nails is just through watching multiple different nail prep videos, and eventually I got a routine that worked best for myself, and that is what I use today. So here I'm just applying the polygel onto the nail. I always like applying the polygel on top of the nail and then sliding all the way down to the free edge. I know people do it however they like, but this is the way that I prefer to do it and the way that I like doing it. And I absolutely love these nail stands. I really don't like the ones with the individual ones that move around. This nail stand is the bomb. Like, I absolutely love these nail stands. So I definitely love working with these. So just to make my life easier, I place all the nails on there, and I just apply the polygel, mold it to my liking, all the way to from cuticle to free edge, and then I just place them on. But before placing on these nails, remember, if you want them to last for a while or until you desire, you remove the shine, you buff them out if you like, and you can also put a nail primer, which is just you add the nail dehydrator, and if you don't have one of those, you could always use 100% acetone, which works the same, or alcohol, or you can mix 50-50, which actually leads to the solution of an actual dehydrator. and then you apply a primer. So like I mentioned earlier, with the primer, it is trial and error. Some may work, some may not work for you, and the primer is what bonds the nail together, you know, for long lasting nails and no lifting. So just keep that in mind. And then after, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my base coat, and then I'm gonna start placing the nails on top and curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So that is what I'm doing here. And as you guys can see, the Polygel is super easy to work with. I had no issues with it. Polygel is really good. I absolutely loved it. And this kit overall is just really great. I had no issues with it. The only thing that I wasn't the biggest fan of was the lamp, because sometimes it would cure, sometimes it would take longer to cure. Maybe I didn't really know how to use the settings, I'm not sure, but other than that, it was a really good kit. And here I'm just going in with the base coat, and I'm just going to cure it for like 30 seconds under the UV lamp, and then I'm going to continue to placing them on. So here I'm just showing you how I place it on, and then here is what the set looks like. And I absolutely love the way they turned out. Super pretty, and I love the length. These Inno Couture dupe extreme squared full coverage nails from AliExpress, amazing. I literally went back and ordered a bunch. It does bring 250 per pack, and they're just amazing, and like you can't go wrong for the price, like $4 and some cents. So absolutely amazing. So here I'm grabbing my absolutely favorite Delani nail drill, and I'm going in and just pretty much going in around the cuticle area, making it super plush, like if it was actually applied the traditional way with tips, or if it looks like I'm just trying to pretty much make the nail look very plush and very natural and beautiful looking where the cuticle area meets, because I don't want it to look like tips, or for you to be able to like notice the tips with the polygel. So I'm just here blending it in, and it absolutely looks amazing. I definitely recommend people to do this. I was literally using 11,000 RPM while I was doing this, and I absolutely love this nail drill from Delani. Really affordable, only $60. I think it's $59.99, but it's really good and affordable compared to spending over $100 on a e-file. If you don't want to spend that type of money, I definitely recommend this one. Really good. And it goes all the way up to 35,000 RPM. So here, that is what I'm doing to all the nails, just blending them in beautifully and seamlessly. Sorry if sometimes I'm not the best explainer, because I'm not always the best explainer, so I just try my best to explain everything to the best of my ability for you guys to be able to understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this nail set. It was really simple and easy, and I absolutely just love blending, like trying to create a marble look with polygels while mixing them together. Absolutely love the outcome of that. So yeah, I really love these. I was in between keeping this simple or doing a kawaii set, but I just decided to keep it simple and just use the things within the kit. That's why I didn't use the kawaii charms, but I definitely want to do a kawaii themed nail set. I think they're super cute, or like a gummy bear set. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying today's nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoyed. So after I'm done doing that, I'm just dusting off the nails, and now I'm going in with a buffer and buffing the nails to remove the shine, since I will be applying my own top coat. And I love how this kit included a top coat and a matte top coat, like a glossy top coat and a matte. I love when any kits include that. So here I'm just finishing off removing the shine, and next I'm moving on to some base coat, and then I'm adhering the glitter with this base coat, but I'm putting it over top of the nail. So then I'm just gonna go in and dip my brush into some base coat and into the glitter, just to use it as an adhesive for it to stick on the brush. And I'm just gonna apply the glitter wherever I desire, and then I'm gonna go in and cure it, and after we will be applying the top coat. So after that, I'm just going ahead and applying the cuticle oil that this kit brought, and applying it to all my cuticles. And this is it for today's nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.